Morning.
Morning.
Here's your money. And does the safari guarantee I come back?
No, we guarantee nothing except dinosaurs. This is Mr. Travis, who will be your safari guide in the past.
That's right, Mr. Eccles. I will be the one calling all the shots. I tell you when and where to shoot, and if I say don't shoot, you don't shoot. If you do not follow my rules, there will be a stiff penalty. Is that clear?
That's clear.
Mr. Eccles, before we begin this expedition, I have some important things you have to understand, so please listen close. Christ has not been born yet. Moses has not gone into the mountains to talk with God. The pyramids are still in the earth waiting to be cut out and put up. Remember that. Alexander, Caesar, Napoleon, Hitler, none of them exist. The jungle we are going into is 60,002,055 years before President Keith. There will be a path there laid by Time Safari for your use. It floats 6 inches above the earth and does not touch as so much as one blade of grass, flower, or a tree. You must stay on the path as we do not want to change the future. We don't belong in the past. The government does not like us there. We have to pay a big fee to keep our franchise running. A time machine is a finicky business, not knowing we might kill an important animal, a small bird, a roach, or even a flower, thus destroying an important link in a growing species. We accidentally kill one mouse, that means all the future families of that one particular mouse are destroyed. And then all the families of the families of the families of that one mouse. With a stomp of your foot, you annihilate the first one, then a dozen, a million, a billion possible mice. Well, what about the foxes that need those mice to survive? For the lack of 10 mice, a fox could die. For the lack of a fox, all manner of insects, vultures, could cause infinite destruction. Eventually, it all boils down to this. 59 million years later, a caveman, one of a dozen in the entire world, goes hunting saber-toothed tiger for food. But you, friend, have stepped on all the tigers in that region by stepping on a single mouse, so the caveman starves. And the caveman is not just any expendable man. No, he is an entire future nation. For he would have sprung 10 sons, from them 100 sons, and thus onward to a civilization. Destroy this one mouse, and you destroy an entire race, a people, a nation, a history of life. It is comparable to slaying some of Adam's grandchildren. Stay on the path and never step off.
A touch of the hand, and this burning wood, on the instant, beautifully reversed itself. Out of the chars and ashes, out of the dust and coals, like golden salamanders, the golden years, the old years, the green years, everything back to seed. A time before the beginning, a touch of a hand might do that, the merest touch of the hand.
Unbelievable. A real time machine, makes you think. If the election had gone bad yesterday, I might be here running away from these results. Thank God Keith won. He's like a fine president. We're lucky. If Doubtshire had gotten in, we'd have the worst kind of dictatorship. There's an anti-everything man for you, a militarist, an anti-Christ, an anti-human, and an anti-intellectual. People called us up, joking but not joking. Said if Doubtshire became president, they wanted to go live in 1492 for some reason. Of course, it's not our business to conduct escapees, but to form safaris. Anyway, Keith's the president now. That's all you gotta worry about.
Look at my dinosaur.
A Tyrannosaurus Rex, the tyrant lizard, the most incredible monster in history. Beside this release form, if anything happens to you, we're not responsible. Those dinosaurs are hungry.
You're trying to scare me.
Frankly, yes. Guides and 12 hunters died last year, but it was all for us to give you the severest thrill a real hunter ever asked for, traveling back 60 million years to bag the biggest game of all time.
Good luck, Mr. Travis. He's all yours.
Let's get you in that machine. Alright, cut that. Everyone on their feet. Let's go.
Are we sure these guns get a dinosaur cold?
If you shoot them right, then yes. But some dinosaurs have more than one brain. One in the head, one in the spine. Those ones push our luck and we avoid them. You want to put the first 2 shots in the eyes if you can and blind them. Then go back and hit them in the brain to kill them.
Just think. We'll be the envy of every hunter who ever lived. We'll make Africa look like Illinois. So how do we know which dinosaurs to hunt?
Well, I sent Lasbrance out ahead of us earlier and he marked them for us.
Yep, I tracked them through their entire existence. Yep, I note every little aspect of their lives, noting which ones died to a tree branch falling them or fall into a tar pit. Then I mark down the hour, minute, and second and hit them with a pink bomb. That way we know which ones to kill and which ones not to.
Bang, bang. Dead dinosaur. Bang, bang.
Stop that flurry! If that thing even goes off, it'll...
Where's our dinosaur?
Oh, we're the dinosaur bisection trailer. 6 seconds. Hold up. Okay, so safety's off. Don't shoot until we tell you to, and stay on the path.
I hunted tiger, bear, wild buffalo, elephant. But this is it. Shaking like a child.
Ah, there he is. His Majesty's beast, straight ahead of us.
This is impossible. We are fools to come here.
Shut up.
Nightmare.
Go back to the machine quietly. We'll reimburse you half your money.
I didn't think it'd be this big. I miscalculated, that's all. I want out.
Caesar.
It was never like this before. I had good guides, good safaris. I was safe. Not this time. This is too much for me. I want out.
Don't run, walk, and go back to the machine.
Yes. Ah!
Eccles, not that way.
Clean up.
Yeah.
Right in time. Broken tree to kill that beast.
I'm sorry.
Get up! Follow the path on your own and you're not coming back with us in the machine.
Wait.
Get out of this! That fool nearly got us killed!
Whoa, take it easy, take it easy. All you did was pick up some dirt.
How do we know? We don't know anything. Get out of here, Eccles!
Please, I'll pay anything, $100,000.
Dinosaur's up ahead off the path. Go up there and put your arms up to your elbows in its mouth.
That's unreasonable.
The monster's dead, you idiot. The bullets, they can't be left behind. You have to take my knife and carve them out.
Didn't have to do that.
Didn't I? It's too early to tell.
I'm innocent, I've done nothing wrong.
Get out of here, Eccles. Is everything okay here?
Fine, welcome home.
Get out, Eccles. I already told you this. What are you staring at? Don't ever come back.
What is that? There's a chemical taint, so subtle, so slight in the air. The colors, white, gray, blue, orange, the wall, the furniture, and the sky beyond the window. They don't feel right. The sign, it's different. The entire world, the streets, the people. It's not the same. What could have done this?
No, this couldn't have caused all this. Not one little butterfly, no. No, this couldn't have. Could it? Who won the presidential election yesterday?
You're joking. You know very well. Dutra, of course. Who else? Not that fool we can keep. We got an Iron Man now. A man with guts. What's wrong?
Can Can't we take it back? Can't we just go back and make it alive again? Can't we?